Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook fennel vegetable. First, select a firm bulb with bright green fronds for the best flavor and texture. Trim away the long stalks and any discolored outer layers, then slice the bulb in half vertically. Carefully cut out the tough, triangular core from each half, which will ensure a more tender dish. Now, you can thinly slice or finely dice the fennel according to your culinary plans, preparing it for its delicious transformation. Roasting fennel is a fantastic way to bring out its inherent sweetness, softening its distinct licorice notes. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Toss prepared fennel with 2 tablespoons of olive oil, a half teaspoon of sea salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Spread slices evenly on a baking sheet. Roast for about 25 to 30 minutes, flipping halfway until edges are beautifully browned and the fennel is fork tender. This creates a wonderfully simple and flavorful side dish. For a quick and vibrant side dish, sautéing fennel is an excellent choice. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil or butter in a large skillet over medium-high heat until shimmering. Add your thinly sliced or diced fennel to the pan, ensuring not to overcrowd it. Cook for 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until the fennel becomes tender crisp and develops a delicate golden hue. This method preserves some of its fresh texture while still mellowing its flavor. It pairs wonderfully with fish or chicken. Braising transforms fennel into an incredibly tender and deeply flavored vegetable, perfect for a comforting meal. Start by lightly sautéing fennel wedges in a Dutch oven with 1 tablespoon of olive oil until slightly softened. Pour in about 1 cup of vegetable broth or dry white wine, enough to partially submerge the fennel. Bring the liquid to a gentle simmer, then cover the pot and reduce heat to low. Let it cook for 30 to 40 minutes, or until the fennel is wonderfully tender and easily pierced with a fork, absorbing rich flavors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.